This is a Fox News alert. Former President Trump is still banned from Facebook. For now. I'm Chris Foster. The ban's upheld by Facebook's independent oversight board. It's giving the company 6 months to reconsider a conflict of interest.